Good evening, students. Today we are doing the inequality property of the triangles. The first property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the length of third side. It means, according to this property, if we have a triangle ABC, then the sum of AB and BC is always greater than CA. If we are considering these two sides, BC and CA, then the sum of these two is greater than AB. If we are taking these two sides, CA and AB, then the sum of these two sides is greater than AC. Now the second property. In the second property, the difference between the lengths of the sides of a triangle is less than the length of the third side. So we have two properties. One is according to sum and other is dependent on difference. So according to second property, we have that AB minus BC, the sum of AB and BC is always smaller than CA, and the sum difference of BC and CA is always smaller than AB. Difference of CA and AB is smaller than BC. So we have to show all the three pairs for our triangles. Now we are starting 12B. The very first sum, it is given that are the following triangles possible. In triangle, for a triangle ABC, we have given that AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, and AC is 9 centimeter. So in the solution here, we are finding the sum of AB and BC. AB plus BC is equals to 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, that is 14 centimeter, which is greater than 9 centimeter. So here you can see that AB plus BC is greater than AC. So first condition solved. Now for the second one, BC plus CA, it is 8 plus 9, that is 17 centimeter, and AB is given 6 centimeter. So here you can see that the sum of these two is greater than AB. So second condition fulfilled. Now for the third one, CA plus AB, it is 9 plus 6, that is 15, and BC is 8. So you can see that the sum of these two is greater than BC. So we proved all the three conditions. So the formation of triangle is possible. Now the second sum. In the second sum, we are given that C is a point in the interior of a triangle DEF, and we have to fill in the blanks with greater, equal, or smaller sign. So here we have given that DE, it is smaller than CD plus EC. In triangle EDC, the sum of two sides is always greater than third side. The sum of two sides is greater than third side. So we have to fill this sign. Now in second one, CE plus EF. CE plus EF. The sum of, here you can see CE plus EF. It is greater than EF. It is CE plus EF is greater than CF. Now the third one, DF is smaller than. DF is this. DF is smaller than DC or CD plus CF. And the fourth one, we have to add all these values, this and this. So we get this one. Now the third sum, we have given a triangle ABC. AD is median, and we have to prove AB plus BC plus AC is greater than double of AD. Double of AD we have to prove. So in solution, we have to write that in triangle ABD, AB plus BD is greater than AD. Now we are considering triangle ACD. So AC plus CD is greater than AD. These two conditions we get. Now we have to add these two. We get AB plus BD plus AC plus CD is greater than double of AD. Now this BD and CD becomes BC. So we can write AB plus BC plus AC is greater than double of AD. Now the sixth sum. In a triangle, two sides are given as 7 cm and 5 cm, between which two numbers can its third side. A triangle is given and the value of two sides are given as 7 cm and 5 cm, and we have to find the interval in between the third side lie. So we have to find the sum of sides. It is 7 plus 5, that is 12 cm. Now we have to find the difference also. Difference of sides is 7 cm minus 5 cm, that is 2. So that is the range. So we have to write that third side will lie between 12 cm and 2 cm. Now the eighth one. A point O lies outside triangle ABC, and we have to prove that double of OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC. So we have to write that we are considering triangle OAB. So it is OA plus OB is greater than AB. Now considering triangle OBC, so we have to write OB plus OC is greater than BC. Now we are considering triangle OAC. It is OAC. So we can write here OA plus OC is greater than AC. These three inequalities we have. Now we have to add all these inequalities. So we get double of OA plus double of OB plus double of OC. So here we get double of OA plus double of OB plus double of OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC. We are taking 2 common, so we get double of OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC.